Hey, hope you're doing well. My name is Colby Sharp. I'm a 5th grade teacher in Michigan. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new to my channel, welcome. Hope you're doing fantastic. Usually we talk about books and teaching reading on this site. The people at Owl Crates Jr., and I think that they have books in their packages. It's a subscription-based service. It's like $27.99 plus shipping a month. I don't really know anything about it, except they sent me a box and they asked if I wanted to review it, and I said sure. And I thought this seemed like one of those things that you just kind of open and share your thoughts in real time, so I thought that was the best way to do it. They asked if I wanted to give a code for a discount, and that made me feel really weird because I didn't want this to feel like a sponsored video or like I was being paid for this. I just wanted to share my honest opinion. So if you want to get it, you should get it, but you can't get a discount from me because that just made me feel weird. And I shouldn't, because it's 2019. That's just kind of how things work. Talking too much. Let's see what's in this box. So I saw on the website that you can get it in 1, 3, or 6 month subscriptions. $27.99 plus shipping. I don't know if that's a good deal or not. I guess I don't even know what's inside. So you get a box. It looks like this. And I just cut the little tape, open it. Oh, that's fun. Guide to unboxing. If you give 2 hoots. You give 2 hoots. Oh, there's directions. Looks like they want you to take a picture, share, and read. I like doing all of those things. Crack the code. I think that they're themed, and I think that this is the April 2019, it says right there, theme. And then you have all of this stuff, which I'm glad I'm opening it at school. It gets at my house, and I'm not a fan of that stuff at home. Okay, this is more exciting than I thought it would be. It's like Christmas. We have a game, Canoodle, and it's like these brain teasers. We actually have this game at my house, and my kids really like it. So far, we're off to a good start. Canoodle. I kind of want to play. I just want to stop and play this, but that would be very boring. We also have 100 logic puzzles. It's kind of fun. I think my own children would like this as well as my students. All right, that's cool. That's cool. Looks like a bookmark. I mean, it's a bookmark. Wrinkle in Time quote on there. We have this thing. Really great word choice, huh? It's a notebook. Always good to have more notebooks. A cipher. Looks like this says there's a magazine or something in here that you can help figure it out. We have a button, like a cipher button. That's fun. We have this thing. Let's see what that is. Oh, it's like a little. I think it goes with this. Like it's a little pin that you put in here. All right. It's got a little magazine here about the issue. Kind of explains all the stuff that you got. Little card, Rebels and Rule Breakers, flip for a sneak peek. Looks like it gives you a little bit of preview for next month. And then Margaret Peterson Haddock's new series, The Strangers. Well, that's really fun. We have this book in my class, and this is you can tell this is the part that I know a little bit more about. Oh, and there's a little letter from her, a little copied letter from Margaret. And it looks like there's also a signed book plate that you can stick in your book. A fun little riddle card on the book, her brand new series, which, hey, that right there is $18. So this book is, my kids are liking this book. Her book, Among the Hidden, is super popular. Her whole Shadow Children series is making the rounds. I read the first one to my class earlier this year, and I'm excited to read this one. Probably will read this book this summer. So it's a lot of stuff, friends. Really excited about this game, excited about this. I guess the question is, would I recommend an Owl Crate Junior subscription? It's $28, which is a lot of money, but you get an $18 book, so it's tricky. I have 5 kids, so I couldn't exactly get every single one of my kids an Owl Crate subscription, but I definitely think it's probably worth it. It probably is. There's some good stuff in it. So if you have that kind of money, and I mean, I have $28, but it's something that you definitely might want to consider checking out, maybe on a 1 or 3 month basis. I'm not sure, but I think that it's fun. My kids, I will tell you, my own personal children, they would love this, and they would want me to get it for them. I actually think it would be like an amazing gift for like a grandparent or like a family member or a family friend to gift to a child for like if they celebrate Christmas or if they celebrate birthdays. I think that would be perfect because, you know, like a lot of grandparents might not know what books to get kids and that sort of thing, or what gifts, but it's a gift that keeps giving, comes every month. So yeah, I think this would be a great present, like a subscription. So if you're interested, check it out. I think they have more information on their website. Just Google Owl Crate Junior and you'll find it. But I have to go pick up my kids from Special. Let me know if you use this or any other subscription-based service down in the comments below. I'm curious to know how it goes. But overall, I'm giving it a thumbs up. Pleasantly surprised, Owl Crate Junior. Nice job. Okay, gotta go get my kids.